Hey everybody, so I know the lighting sucks, but I am just sitting in my kitchen eating watermelon. It's 10:08 p.m. on Monday. It's been a while since I've been on the screen here. I've been renovating this house. You can see behind me is some wallpaper. I painted the whole house. I've wallpapered at least one wall in every room. I've put in all new appliances, all new light fixtures. Basically just new floor. It was basically just, it's been a giant renovation. So that's what I've been up to. I'm thinking of doing like a house tour or something. I'm not sure, but it's a lot of work. And then my dogs, I've been really training them a lot lately, trying to get them on a good schedule. So we do 4 walks a day now. We do, I don't want to go through their whole schedule right now, but 4 walks. And then we have a strict breakfast and dinner time and breaks, and then we have individual training sessions. So I've been on a very strict doggy schedule lately. And then they got groomed yesterday, they went to the vet today. So just working on dogs. Later this week I will be at the dentist. Yay. What else? I guess that's it. House renovations, dogs, and but the house though is like 70% done. So I can't believe that it's so close to being done. I want to do the laundry room still. I have like a closet room that I need to do. Those are the 2 rooms that are left. And then eventually I want to renovate the bathrooms, both of them. There's 2 bathrooms. They're both smaller, and they haven't been like redone or anything since the house was built. So that'll be some work. That's not an immediate thing. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's where I've been. I'm thinking about like what should I make videos about, because I don't know. So guess this is where I'm gonna start. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any ideas of videos that I can make. I will see you later. Bye.